Morning. A tribute to our great-great-grandmother. Our hearts are still aching with sadness. Our tears still flow for what it means to lose you. Although you are not here with us, we are truly not apart. For our minds are full of the good memories we shared. We thought time is a big healer, but somehow, with each passing day, we miss you. Life has been different for us since you left, but we are grateful for how much you protected us. One day, we will join you in heaven, and as God will take us one by one, the chain will ring each will ring again. Some truths in life are hard to accept, but your memories will never be forgotten. May you have a feast in heaven till we meet again. Rest in peace, Grandma.
Asante sana. Gatho nyingi muno family. Mr. Githendui, karibuni sana. Mutweru bolo mwerwa.